Hi my lovelies, welcome back to another video. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a super homemade powerful Viagra at your convenience with shikini money. All right, if you're a 1 seconds man and you want to improve your performance, there are different kind of ammo. We have big ammo, we have medium, we have small, we have short, we have long. I don't want to know which category you belong to. Please make your ammo function well. Okay, if your woman is not feeling it, you are not vibing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to energize yourself, how to make yourself work like a horse. Abi, you should go from 1 seconds to 40 minutes. Make your woman feel your prick. It is very, very important. Or what's the essence of carrying ammo, carrying prick if it's not functioning? You have to make it work. For your woman to yeah. Let your woman feel like she's in cloud 9 to the climax. Oh, baby, I'm feeling it. Guys, I know you want that, all right? So if you are battling with, non-functioning ammo, non-functioning prick, you better opt in now, okay? Tap into this remedy and thank me later. Because see, this remedy is superb, all right? So you don't want to miss this remedy, okay? If you are a man out there and your prick is like this, your hammer is like this, your hammer no dey work, like, I don't get. Why will you carry hammer and it will not be functioning? Why? Let your woman feel your vibes. It is very, very important. Because if she's not feeling it, she's going to go elsewhere and satisfy herself. This is a harsh truth, harsh fact, but I'm just joking here, all right? But see, to be honest, if you are battling with weak thing, weak prick, why not try this recipe, okay? So that she can stay with you forever. Now if you say you are a sweet person, tí obìnrin bá rí ọkùnrin tó dùn, she go hold am. See, Amu, Amu on the street of Amu. Woman dey buy Amu. You never hear say woman dey pay for Amu. Make you come knack. See, abeg. It is very important for you as a man. If you want to stay married, if you want to stay happily married, make your Amu work. Make your ammo function well. Be able to satisfy your partner. It is highly, highly important in every relationship to work, in every marriage to work. Okay? Forget motivational speakers that will say, sex is nothing. See, I'm telling you, you got to spice up. If you are a man and your hammer no dey gberi, your hammer no dey gbera, make this remedy and drink it. You will never get disappointed, all right? This remedy is natural, okay? They are natural products made with fruits and herbs, which will actually help you and help your love life, help your performance. You will be able to ride like a horse. Don't you want that? This remedy is for men only, okay? It is for men only. Watch out for my next video for Viagra for men and women, okay? Let's get into the preparation. So guys, these are the combination of natural 100% organic ingredients I'm going to be using to make super powerful Viagra drink at home for men only. If you know, you know. This recipe is very, very effective. Try this recipe and you will thank me later. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, make sure you click on the like button. You guys, click on the like button and also share this video for people who actually want to access this kind of information. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to head to my vlog channel to support your girl. The link will be in the description box below. Make sure to check my vlog channel out in order to access my personal life. Okay, it's a lifestyle vlog channel whereby you can see my personal stuff. All right, if you are interested. Okay, yeah, for the usage of this drink, you just have to take it 3 times a week, whether in the morning or in the night. You can take it after your meal, you can take it before meal. It has 0 side effect. As you can see, they are all natural products you can get anywhere with shikini money. All these products are cheap and it will benefit your life. It will change your story. And yeah, so we've come to the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe, like I said earlier. Make sure to share. Make sure to like this video, most importantly. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.